Hey guys, welcome to my video, and today I am on Beespawn. Guys, there's this thing I always noticed, but I never seen it. You know the red thing up there? What's it called? The red HQ? Every time I'm at like the beginning over there, and I'm at the far end, I can like somehow see a ticket that I never got. And I said I collected every... What the... I'm making a video.
Yeah, we double.
No, I'm making a video. Guys. But I don't think I collected everything except for the 30 area. I'm not in that 30 area yet. But I'm still trying to look for this. I'm looking at this ticket. Guys, I see it. I see it. Do you guys see it? How do we get up there? I wasn't able to jump that high. I don't know what I was thinking. But there's no way to get in there. Oh, I might see how it's going. I think if you have like some, you know, that good parachute that costs 5 million, and probably that hat that gives you lots of jump boost, I think, yeah, if you have it, you can probably get that. I never knew that. But let me just go up here, guys, and collect the strawberry thing. I have a quest. Darn it, I hate when this happens. I get stuck in here. Oh yeah, guys, I discovered new bee types off camera. So I discovered the baby bee, what's it called? Hold on, I'll go check right now. The shy bee, and I was able to summon some honeystones. But if I'm trying to get a ninja bee, so I can discover a new type, and then I'll be able to like summon this. See, I'm so close. Let me just I got a quest from Mother Bear. It's kind of hard. I'm almost done with Sunbear's quest. If I finish this, and he'll give me boots, the basic boots. Mother Bear should give me a hard quest. I'm just gonna save. I'm gonna wait until I have like lots of stuff, and then I'll buy it. Because I have this many tickets. I was gonna buy this, but now it's 500. But now if I get about this many tickets, then I'll buy this blue bee. Then I get another 250. Then I'll buy the red bee right here. But that's gonna be too much. Isn't there a way to get? God, did you see that? Did you see this? Oh, guys, you can't go in there. Oh yeah, there's another secret too. See, there's Roy Jelly up there now. You can climb up there and use everyone. Let me just go up here, guys. Oh yeah, guys, I'll leave some codes in the description for you. Want some new codes? I really want the boots to be on sale, guys. But I think the boots are gonna be on sale when the Sun Bear leaves. Wait, didn't this 12 million used to be on this? Now it's 25 million. I really want the 100% that hat. Ooh, the sprout sprouted. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna do the sprout because the sprout kind of takes me long, but I do it. Let me just pause the video so the video doesn't be probably an hour long. Okay, guys, I made a new friend. I'm just gonna tell him I'm filming right now. I just started. There. I just started. Okay, guys. What does your YT mean? Oh. It might go and let me put this. It might go in hashtag. Okay, there. JRN. Oh. There. I told him the thing. A Pennywise face for my profile picture. Okay guys, I'm getting scared now because this video might get demonetized or deleted. I'm scared, guys. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to. This thing will probably take long, so I'm just gonna pause. Okay, guys, I finished it, but I got absolutely nothing because I was too slow. And the guy, he searched my thing, and I told him my profile picture. Is it like green? No, just like Penny. I'm making a video. I'm making a video. But he thinks it's green. It is not green. Cause wait. To comment down below if the thing's green, cause I'm not sure if it's green. Just like he knows. I'm scared, guys. Went into my. What is he? Oh, he's probably on the computer. That's probably why he's just standing there and he's probably searching and doing that same thing. Yeah, he's not AFK, but kind of is. Bella. Shut up, okay, guys, I'm gonna go the living room.
You guys know I have a girlfriend?
Bro, stop. My video might get demonetized.
No, it won't, because you're not saying about word. That's his girlfriend.
Still, it gets.
No, it doesn't. Shut up.
It's gonna get demonetized if you keep continue.
Boy, everybody, like, Neva and I watched Jake Paul, and he says cuss words.
I know that.
But he makes dolphin noises, like, whenever he says a call for it, he goes, ah!
Still, he doesn't demonetize.
Shut up. Just kidding.
Because he said he cannot find it. Wait a minute. Let me talk to him again. So guys, I'm just gonna end the video here.
No!
Dude, I'm running out of things, so the video is just gonna end by itself.
Who gives a freak? Yeah, guys, look at my dance.
I'm gonna get demonetized now.
What am I saying? I said, look at my dance.
Okay. Also, guys, tell me if you want me to make a video of Fortnite again, because the last time I made a video was when he was covering the Dusty Deep or something. So let me follow this guy.
Hey, you guys better add me on Fortnite too, bud. I have like 41.
Can I send him a friend request? Nope.
I have like 34 wins. Oh, my friend's playing. Chris, I'm gonna join you.
Oh, come on.
What happened?
Vicious B's on the attack.
Chris.
Vicious B.
Chris.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause the video and kill the Vicious Bee. But I don't want this video to come really